Unless you kill a main breaker somewhere. I don't think I want this here. I want this over here. There's a motion sensor right by your left foot. I was just gonna go ding dong. Ding dong. Shut up. That is nice. Just kill the whole building. Nope. Ain't showing off. He's trying.
Spirits and speakies, you have them back down, I can see you.
Going in. How did I manage that?
When it shows off, it's off, right?
Yeah, it's off. That's not it either.
It says lights, lower basement, under walkway. Lights, exit, filing area. You want to turn that off?
Shh. I'll turn that off for a minute. Hush your pie hole. Nothing obnoxious. Yep. I'm not sure which one it would be.
Speakers. Lights, lower basement, lockers.
4, 6, and 8 are off. Some pump no, some pump no. Reciprocal upper panel, no. Lab storage, 16. I'm excited.
Part of me wants to just flip the name. I don't know if that's gonna trip something, if it doesn't turn back on.
I mean, it ain't no worse than when power outage happens. If you really think about it. Up to you. Oh, are you serious? Oh. That's disappointing. That's just to say.
Should be another.
Maintenance supply. Front mezzanine.
My daylights.
Basement theater. 18, 20, and 22. That'll be that big one.
Jesus.
Maybe it won't turn off. It's crazy. That's weird. What's this one? No one.
That's like electrical thing.
That's so crazy. Basement AC. Conveyor. It's weird that it's not. It's what it says. That's a mag light. We have that because the dude they can mess with that, turn it on and off. What's this panel?
What's for the conveyor belt?
Oh. Oh yeah, it is. disappointing.
Huh?
That's disappointing.
Yeah.
Turn the motion sensor back on. Is that the bosses section up there? That's where the bosses sit.
That's the high level section.
She's gonna say she's a leader, and then something's gonna go to her. She's like, I don't want to be a leader no more.
Well, no, I said that I expect to be here and then we're going to put that after.
I'm just saying. I'm looking forward to the theater. I'm not Jamaican, I'm Jamaican.
So disappointing fuse and turn nothing on.
That sucks.
Well, you even flicked the main.
Did you?
Behind the big one, they didn't shut it off.
Really?
It was disappointing.
Did you hear that?
I did. And they're over there. That's not the people right here. They're over there. I heard something here.
Something was like.
Is he?
Oh, is he? I heard the door squeak. Okay.
Did they get locked?
Did you lock yourself?
Oh, he's being. Oh, okay.
What's up, Jimmy?
Word. This music box even turned on? There it goes. Yeah, it works. Queens.
Huh?
Queens. Huh? Y'all gotta bark orders at us. Y'all gotta bark orders. You're the queen. What kind of happens? You're the queen now.
Lindsay calls me, huh? What did you say?
You were looking in the middle of what?
Hi, Poppy.
Lindsay calls me her queen.
Crazy, like you can't turn all the lights on. That's a shame.
We can smash them all.
Couldn't do that.
That sucks. I was really hoping we can knock him out.
That's what these maybe do, like these couple are in the middle, just shut them off, right?
If we could reach us up there just to twist them off, but we can't even reach them.
Yeah, you wanna go to the top level and grab that ladder?
Oh, we need like a 12 ladder to reach that. You have 32 at the truck?
Yeah, you definitely need 32.
They're up there. Trumpet. That one upstairs shook too. That's some propulsion behind it. Meatloaf. I could probably go for a meatloaf. Yeah. Man, it sucks. That sucks. Can't get the lights out. That's disappointing.
So how often you guys do this kind of stuff?
Not often enough.
Oh, really?
Never often enough.
Oh, okay.
We did, I think the next time we got another one is
August. Middle of August, then we have the one up in September. That's it for now.
Yeah,
Can I come to the August one too?
that's it.
I'm going to this. I'm going to the jail one, I think.
August is up in New York. That's gonna be a 3-day thing.
Is it? Oh, boy.
That's gonna be a Saturday, Sunday, Monday.
Where is it in?
And you're back in school at that point.
So obviously, I think it's gonna be southern, obviously, if it's only 3.5 hours for
Yeah, it's
us.
only like 3 hours from us. Like 3.5 hours from us.
He's down New York, and then Lockwood.
Where's that Joe at?
It was Saturday, Sunday, right?
Crescent.
I'm gonna come to you.
That wasn't
I'm
fun.
coming to you that Friday.
It's only
I'll take
15,
off
20
that
minutes.
Friday, okay? Yeah.
Listen,
I'll drop off.
here's what you do. On your way back from Hinsdale, New York, just for an hour, stop in Waterford, PA. It's not very far, maybe like an hour and a half. I was telling you, the whole town was built on that. All the fucking roads were built by cemetery dirt and bones from the cemetery.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
That was, I remember you telling me about that. Like,
Yeah.
The whole fucking ground on there.
Yeah.
You know what I'm thinking? Who's to say those labels were even right?
Yeah, really.
Those roads,
Well, we still pulled the main and still didn't kick it.
the roads were just, the cemetery that was, the old cemetery that was built, it kept getting flooded out. So they dug it all up and just built the roads with all the cemetery dirt. And they found bones, jewelry, all this shit, all over the roads.
Ain't that crazy, dude?
Dude.
That's fucked
No
up.
joke.
That's fucked up. Got fucking bodies spread 3 blocks apart from each other. You know what I'm saying?
Like you can find one person fucking hitting up, and then next year over that would be his like forearm.
Yeah, exactly.
Yo, is that what you're going on?
That was the boy.
I was playing with this thing.
He was in all, I was like, oh yeah.
Who shared this?
That's the Estes
It's gonna
chair.
fall off.
I need to take a load off. I did a lot of work tonight. Hey, if you can't find the load off, don't you worry about it.
Yeah, I think that's good to do. Sucks.
Alright, we were still getting activity.
Yeah, we're still getting that thing down like this.
Spirits, we're back downstairs, just like you wanted.
We were told to come down here on more than one occasion. What did you want us to come back down here for? Is there something you wanted to show us? Was that walking?
Water, it was water.
That sounded like walking.
Nah, I think it was.
I heard a water droplet.
No, dude, the water dropping over here.
Oh, I heard like,
Yeah, but I heard-
oh,
No, there was footsteps.
There was a water drop and then like something after that.
There was footsteps.
Yeah, like I heard that,
I heard it was 2
the
of them.
water and then it sounded like footsteps after that.
That's,
Was that you walking? Where were you walking to?
If that was you, can you do it again?
Are you playing duck pin bowling down here?
we have 2 new bosses that are in control of everything now. And they're right upstairs.
Hi.
Why don't you show them how you feel? Do you like having 2 women in control now? Oh shit.
What do you want to call women that are in control? How many bodies have came through here? Deceased ones?
Are you still upstairs in that office? Why don't you come out? Come talk to us.
That wasn't a water job. That was not a water job, that was over there.
No.
It sounded like it came from up there too.
Someone back there.
Can you make that noise again for us?
Yeah, I'm gonna go around.
Do you want one of the new bosses to come see you?
You want me to walk back there?
Here comes your new boss.
I'm coming. You guys whispering?
Yeah, we are talking.
Are you plotting to hurt your new bosses? Because you don't want women to be your boss now.
I was hearing something, I couldn't figure out what it was.
It sounded like a low female voice.
Spirits, we invite you to come to us, but we need you to be a little bit more louder. We need to be able to hear you.
You don't have to be shy.
Oh, excuse me.
We're not here to judge you in any way.
Did you hear that?
I
Did you hear
did.
something back there?
Almost like a whistle.
I heard something, and you know what? When I heard that whistle earlier, I thought it came from back there.
Yeah, it was definitely back there.
Is that whistle a sign of an attack coming? That's the bomb range. And
I was ready to start going to it.
a lot of times when I ask questions, the machines will turn on.
Yeah, I did. It was something that started.
Yeah.
Every time you asked something, something went on.
Are you turning these machines on to get our attention? If so, we have a bunch of machines that you can touch, and they will get our attention. Can you come do that for us, please? When we was down here earlier, and we were talking to you upstairs in that room, did you want us to leave? Because we could have stayed down here all night and talked to you.
swear I just saw something up there.
Something. Yeah, something caught my attention right by that column up there.
Right, he said that came from Johnstown, across the middle.
You're messing with that camera right here.
I'm not touching it.
If that's you, you're getting curious, make a noise. Bang on something, let us know that you're here. We're not going anywhere.
Man. I'm tired. You guys have been a leader, really took my energy and did a lot with it. With all that energy you took off me, I feel like you should have enough to touch these black blocks on the ground.
Can you not at the location where you handle all your dirty business?
Did you do all your business in the oil room?
It's a whole different vibe up here. It's a whole different vibe up here. What? Like I don't feel anything.
It's a lot. The most people.
None of that sensor's there.
Where's your spirit that told us to come downstairs?
Oh, excuse me. Lindsay! Magdalene!
Are you in this back room hiding?
Magdalene.
Magdalene.
What's that?
Flashlight.
Yeah, the flashlight went off.
If you're in there, can you turn on for me? Can you turn that flashlight on?
That's that room, and it's, there you should go on in there.
It's like as soon as I put that laser in there, it went off. Like I didn't think I don't think I liked it.
Do you not like that light being in there? And there's no way possible that was at a mag light.
No.
You know what I mean? Because the mag light's not on.
You gonna try again? Yeah, it definitely wasn't it. And it definitely glowed orange. Where's it at right there?
I'm gonna come in that room. If you don't want me to come in there, will you turn the flashlight on? Oh my god, I just about jumped in your arms. That scared the daylights out of me.
Oh, it's still flickering.
That's so loud.
It's off. It was on, and then that went off.
It was on and then that noise happened. I was like, oh.
No, it turned
went
off.
You said that one about her walking in.
Yeah, I said I'm gonna
Yeah.
walk in if you don't want me to walk in. I said it.
You asked questions before we're listening.
Bears, are you messing with the pumps around this basement? Are you turning them on to give us a sign that you're overrun? Is that what you're doing?
It's weird that sensor's not going off.
Well, it's facing that way, so it's not gonna go off until you go in the room.
Say about her
So
going in
whatever
there.
it is like going around this way.
I'm gonna send the boss into her new office. If you don't want her in there, turn that light back on. There it goes.
Oh, there it goes again.
Yep.
Yeah, consistent answers. Yeah, consistent answers. Ask the same question again, and the light turned on again.
See the flashlight in there turning on? It just turned off.
Let me ask another question. Can somebody else come in there? If you don't want anybody else coming in there, turn that flashlight on. It's like very delayed.
Yeah,
It's like it takes a while for it to build up energy to turn the light on. If you just don't want females in there, turn the flashlight on.
That was me.
Okay.
That was me. I was letting them know that you go over here, you want to come kick me.
I heard something in there.
Okay. If you just don't want me in